epic tree felling scenes, the exceptional skills of humans. All of this is in today's video. Dive in and explore. In areas with a high risk of wildfires, tree felling can be very dangerous. When chainsaws are in operation, the friction generates very high temperatures, which can cause fires during the tree felling process. When the chainsaw cuts into the tree trunk, it creates a gust of wind that fans the flames, which is very dangerous. Wow, the flames are flaring up. Extremely dangerous. We have grinders and rotary machines for stump grinding, but how do we completely uproot all stumps and roots? Let's watch how this machine tackles this challenging task. The main taproot runs incredibly deep, making it a real challenge to pull up. Yeah, we're finally getting close to completion. Felling large trees in the forest requires professional tree felling techniques. It is particularly important to create at least 2 escape routes at 45-degree angles behind the tree for a safe retreat. Despite these precautions, felling large trees always carries significant risks. It looks like the tree is about to fall. Run now, guys! Next, we introduce the ultimate forestry harvester, the Komatsu 951. With its 36-foot crane demonstrating raw power through the C144 harvester head. The chainsaw blade slices through 26-inch trunks like butter. Within seconds, trees are felled cleanly and automatically bucked. The rotating cabin enables operators to maintain perfect control from every angle. Wow, look at that front end lifting off the ground. Hauling massive logs through the forest is truly dangerous work. The forwarder is dragging these enormous logs up the steep slope, risking a rollover at any moment. Let's watch how this legendary machine overcomes this nail-biting life-or-death challenge. Extremely dangerous. Next, let me introduce you to this incredible wood cutting and splitting machine. It picks up an entire log and cuts it into 18 pieces in a single operation. Absolutely efficient. Driving heavy timber trucks through the forest is one of the most challenging aspects of forestry operations. Navigating winding, steep, and muddy mountain roads demands exceptional skill and courage from drivers. Large bulldozers always escort from behind, providing crucial pushing support to help trucks conquer these treacherous slopes. Next beast up, watch how this entire pine tree gets completely shredded into sawdust. Incredibly powerful and fascinating, isn't it? Next, let's check out this Vermeer stump grinding beast and watch how it pulverizes and rips through these massive tree stumps and roots. Let's dive in. Absolutely powerful with devastating crushing force. Truly worthy of the elite stump grinding beast collection. Want to see more of these beasts in action? Let's get ready for the next monster. Want to see more epic monster logging machines? Subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new beast machines.